Hi. In last lecture, we have seen how to invoke the app using absolute path of APK file, right? Now, let's see how to invoke the app without APK file. If you don't have APK file, generally you can download from Play Store and pull that APK file into your system and pass the absolute path of app, right? Using app capability. That's how we did in last lecture, right? Now, for example, there is one app installed in my mobile and I don't have APK file for that app. I don't want to invoke the app using .apk file. Now, how can we invoke the app without APK file? So I just want to start the app which is already installed in my mobile or emulator. I'm not sure about .apk file. Generally, in real time, developers will install the app in real device and they will give us for testing. So I was given a mobile by installing the app and asked to test the app. That's it. Now how can we invoke the app without .apk file? So for that we can actually invoke the app using package name and activity name of that app. So if you know these two parameters like app package and the main activity name, then you can invoke the app even if you are not aware of the APK file. Alright. Now let's see what is package name and activity name. First you need to know what is package name. Generally every app has unique package name and you need to get that package name. So next one, activity name. So what activity you need to launch. Activity in the sense page name. So there might be multiple pages in your app, right? Every page will have a unique activity name. Some apps may have a login screen as a main activity, and some apps may have a home page as main activity. So you need to pass activity name whatever the page you want to open. Now let's see how can we find the package name and activity name for that app. So there are different ways to find the app package name and activity name. So let's see first one. So open the app on the emulator or device for which app package and app activity is required. So now we are going to find the package name and activity name for API demos app, right? So for that we need to open the app in your emulator or real device. Okay, once the app is opened in your device or emulator, if you are trying to find the package name and activity name in real device, make sure that device is connected to the system. Okay, and in this case Android SDK should be installed on the system, as we have already installed Android SDK, right? So now open command prompt. Let's cross check whether the device or emulator is connected to the system or not by using adb devices command. You can see a list of devices attached is emulator -5554. So emulator is connected to the system. Now we need to switch to the adb shell. adb shell. Type the command adb shell and then hit enter key. So we have switched to the shell. Now type the command dump sys windows pipeline symbol grep -e m current focus. So this is the command need to enter in order to find the package name and activity name in your device or emulator. So the command is dump sys Windows, pipeline symbol, grep-e-m current focus, and then hit enter key. See, you can see here. So this is the package name, io.appm.android.apis is the package name, and this is the activity name. So io.appm.android.apis API demos. This is the activity name. Activity name is in the sense. So this screen name, this page, the main page has the activity. This API demos is the activity name for this screen. Okay. So this is the first approach and simplest approach. Now the other approach to get the package name and activity name is install the APK Analyzer app in your device from Play Store. So you need to install the APK Analyzer app. So this app provides complete information of the system and installed apps on that device. So let's say by connecting the real device to the system. So connect your real device to the system and then install the APK Analyzer app from Play Store. So this is the APK Analyzer app. Okay. Now this app provides complete information of the device and all the installed apps, right? So first you need to open the APK Analyzer. And see, you can see these are all the apps which were installed in your device. So we are going to find the package name and activity name for API demos, right? So this is the API demos app which was already installed in your device. So to find the package name and activity name for this app, simply tap on this API demos. You can see package name. So io.appm.android.apis is the package name. Okay. So to find the activity name, go to activities tab. So this is the activities tab. So io.appm.android.apis.api demos. This is the main activity, first activity. So you need to copy this package name and activity names. Okay. So in this way you can find app package name and activity name for any app that was installed on your emulator or physical device. Now let's see how to invoke the app using package name and activity name. We just simply copy this test case, and we can disable this test case. So in this test case, we need to remove the code related to APK file, right? So we need to disable APK path statement and then absolute path capability. Okay. Now we need to pass the two more capabilities like app package and app activity. As we are invoking the app on emulator, so device name is emulator-5554. Capability start set capability. Okay. Now here these two capabilities are package name, app package and app activity. So these two capabilities are only specific to Android app automation. So these two capabilities are not applicable for iOS app automation. So Appian guys move these two capabilities to Android mobile capability type class. So as per latest releases, they have moved these capabilities information to the Android specific capabilities to Android mobile capability type class. Type of app package. Similarly, app activity. So, what is the value of package name? So, we have already find the package name and activity name in different ways, right? So, this is the package name. Copy this and place it here. And similarly, activity name. So, this is the activity name. Copy this and place it here. That's it. We have successfully find the package name and activity name and set up the capabilities to open the application without APK file. Now let's run the script. So before that, let's open the emulator. Before executing the script, we need to start the server, right? To start the server, type appm command and then hit enter. So emulator is open. The appm server is also started, right? Now let's run the script. Run as test. Yes, you can see app got successfully invoked with package name and activity name, right? So here we did not use APK information, right? Okay. So in this way we can invoke the application with package name and activity names even if you don't have a APK file. Okay, thank you.